Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the valve cover gasket on this 1998 Honda Civic with the 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine. And the items you'll need for this is pliers, a 10mm socket and ratchet with extension, a 1 1/4 inch socket, a flat-bladed screwdriver, a rubber mallet, and a marker. Start off by marking each of your spark plug wires. We're starting with 1 on the driver's side and 4 on the passenger side. Now remove each of the spark plug wires and set them aside. Next, you want to remove these two 10mm bolts, and we'll just fast forward as Don does this. Now, using pliers, squeeze the teeth on this hose clamp together and move it down the hose and pull the hose free. Now, lining your valve cover are these 5 10mm bolts. Go ahead and remove those, and you'll notice that they don't remove entirely, they just kind of pop up like that. Lift the valve cover up and off. And now remove that valve cover gasket. On the other side of the valve cover, you can just maneuver these bolts out and use a rubber mallet to help put them out if necessary. Next, you want to remove these gasket rings. Using a flat blade screwdriver, you want to pry them out, and it helps if you use another screwdriver to kind of give yourself some leverage. And now just repeat the process for the other two. Take your new gasket rings and just push them into place. Using your 1 1/4 inch socket, put it over the top of it and hammer it with the rubber mallet to hammer the gasket down into place. And you want to repeat this on the other 3. Put your new valve cover gasket into place. Replace the valve cover.
Before you push the valve cover in place, the gaskets around the spark plug holes will have to be flared out and around. So just use a small flat blade screwdriver and help them, and you'll have to kind of work each one. Just work the screwdriver in between the gasket and the engine and kind of push down lightly, and they'll flare out and go down on.
Once that's pushed down into place, replace your 5 10mm bolts, putting the longer 2 in the back.
Tighten these bolts to about 12 foot-pounds, and then you'll want to, after about 1,000 miles or so, just check them again and tighten them again.
Replace those 2 brackets and the 2 10mm bolts that hold them in place. Once you've got that bracket back in place, put your spark plug wires back through it and put them back in the same order that you numbered them before. and just push those down into place. Push that hose back on, and using pliers, slide the hose clamp back into place, and then you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet.